Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX, and this is the 6th video of my course Python 101. And in this video I'll talk about two functions. One function is split and another is join. And I'll use Jupyter Notebook for this one. So if you don't know how to use Jupyter Notebook, watch my previous videos. And I'm in Python 101 folder, guys, the one I made at the first video. So first I'll talk about split function, which converts strings to list. So before I talk about strings, then I'll just make a strings like Marvel. Let's name it Marvel, and here I'll put some names of heroes like Iron Man, Spider-Man, Thor, Hulk. And you see everything is separated with space, and I'll use the split function now. So how to use split function? It's like a split. First you put the name of the string dot split, and inside that you put like by which you are splitting. Here I'm gonna split it by space. You see the space between these words, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Thor, Hulk. So it's gonna take the string and split it by space. So let's just run it and show you. Iron Man, Spider-Man, Thor, Hulk. You see it's a list. So if you don't understand list, think it like a big container, like the I told you variable stores one variable. If it's a string, integer, whatever. But in a list you can store multiple variables. Here I just make a list of strings. Iron Man, Spider-Man, Thor, Hulk, it's all a string, and this one is a big string. Here I've written a long like a sentence, but a big string consists of small substrings, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Thor, Hulk, and from that we just use this split method and convert it into a list. So we can even give it a name like list Marvel equals to Marvel.split. Then run it and make a few cells, and then print this list Marvel. See, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Thor, Hulk. That's how you convert string to list. So this is a very useful method when you gonna solve HackerRank problems. You're gonna see the default input is string, so you have to use this split method to store it as a list. So I didn't give it space inside because by default it takes that it's gonna split it by space. So let's make it another one. Let's name it copy paste and Marvel 2. So now give it commas, not commas, there's already commas, so let's give it a underscores. I'm just replacing those spaces by underscores, and the next line I'll make the list. See how I did that? I put underscore inside split function. By default it takes space because here only space, but here I wanted to split it by the underscores, so I took underscores inside. So gonna run the cell. Sorry, I didn't run this cell. So run those two cells and just list Marvel 2. Boom, there's the output. You see it's the same output, just here there was space and here there is an underscore. So next thing is join. Just nothing, it's just does the reverse, converts list to string. So let's see list Marvel. You see this is a list, right? So I want to convert it to string. So so how you write a join function? First you have to give like by which you want to join. Like here I want to join it by, let's see, dash. So I put a dash here. You see there's a dash, and I use dot and write this method join, and inside join I'll put the list. So list Marvel 2 and run it, and let's print what we made just now. So you see Iron Man, Spider-Man, Thor, Hulk, and it's all joined by underscore. So now it's a string, and it was a list before, because we can even, I'll just show you the type. See, str is a short for string. So that's what it does. Split function converts string to list, and this function join converts string to list, split function, and join function converts list to string. So it's like opposite of each other. So hope you understood this. And same too, we can do anything, like I can even join it by space. I can create str2 and give just space dot join, and what was it, list marble2, and run it. Let's print str2, boom, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Thor, Hulk. So you can do anything, like join it by anything, any character you want. Like let's copy paste it, and maybe you want to join it by like 1 2 3 and run, and let's see the output of str2, Iron Man 1 2 3, Spider-Man 1 2 3 Thor. So that's how it works. And split function 2, you put whatever you want to split it with. Like here it was just space, just remember it takes default as space, and next time it was just underscores. Like here, if you split here str2 dot str split by what you want to split, 1 2 3, right? Because in the middle there is 1 2 3, so I'll put 1 2 3, and boom, there's a list splitted by 1 2 3, because every inside, like between every words like Iron Man, Spider-Man, Thor, Hulk, there's 1 2 3, so I split it by 1 2 3, and you get that list. So hope you understood this. I think it was easy. Hope you like this video. If you like it, just like, share, subscribe, and please guys, like this video please, and subscribe my channel, because I'll complete this Python 101 basic course. So thanks for watching. See you next time.